Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Firebase project created, authentication and Firestore enabled, and the platform keys accessible. Now open Flutterflow and select your app, choose integrations, then Firebase. Enter the Firebase project ID and web API key exactly as shown. Once done, upload Google Services, JSON for Android and Google Service Info, Plist for iOS into Flutterflow. You do this now so Flutterflow can read credentials and generate correct build settings. This prevents later config mismatches. Continue by configuring each Firebase service you will use. In Flutterflow's Firebase panel, toggle Firestore, auth and storage connections, and map collections to your app's data models. Make sure to set Firestore security rules that match your app's read/write logic, otherwise you'll hit permission errors. Next, enable OAuth providers in Firebase and paste the Flutterflow redirect URIs into each provider configuration. Once done, generate and sync the Flutterflow config so authentication flows and queries can be tested in preview. Finish by running preview and testing sign-in, reads, and writes to verify end-to-end connectivity. If everything works, export or start a native build. Ensure you include Google Services, JSON and Google Service Info. Plist in the build artifacts. If you see auth or Firestore errors, double-check the Firebase project ID, web API key, and SHA-1 or SHA-256 fingerprints for Android. These commonly cause failures. If a rule blocks access, adjust rules temporarily for debugging, then tighten them once resolved.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.